Aristotle. Biography. Early life. Aristotle, 384–322 BCE, was born in Stagira, Greece. His father, Nicomachus, served as the court physician to King Amyntas of Macedonia, exposing Aristotle to biological sciences from an early age. Education. At the age of 17, Aristotle moved to Athens and became a student at Plato's Academy. He studied under Plato for about 20 years, gaining a deep understanding of philosophy and scientific inquiry. Teaching career. After Plato's death, Aristotle traveled extensively and eventually returned to Macedonia to tutor Alexander the Great. Later, he founded his own school, the Lyceum, in Athens, where he taught and conducted extensive research until his death. Contributions. Aristotle's classification. Aristotle is regarded as the father of biology for his pioneering efforts in classifying organisms. Aristotle was the earliest to attempt a more scientific basis for classification. He used simple morphological characters to classify plants into trees, shrubs, and herbs. This classification was rudimentary compared to modern taxonomic systems, but laid the foundation for later botanical studies. He also divided animals into two groups, those which had red blood and those that did not. This division was based on his observations of differences in blood color among animals. He categorized animals into groups based on their characteristics, including those with red blood, mammals, birds, reptiles, and those without, fish, insects. Empirical observation. Aristotle emphasized the importance of direct observation and study of nature. He conducted detailed dissections and observations of animals, documenting their anatomical structures and behaviors. Spontaneous generation. Aristotle proposed the theory that life could arise spontaneously from non-living matter under certain conditions, which was a prevailing belief until the 19th century. Vitalism. He introduced the concept of entelechy, suggesting that living organisms possess a vital force or purpose that distinguishes them from non-living matter. Embryology. Aristotle's observations on the development of embryos in animals laid foundational knowledge for the study of developmental biology.